Assalamualaikum and a good day albeit to everyone. Today, in this video, our Group 6, will present about Chapter 6 Aromatic Compound under the subject of Organic and Physical Chemistry. So firstly, we will introduce our group member, which is, firstly, we have Nurul Anis Nasuha with matrix number 92100134, and then we'll have Nur Nina Shakina with matrix number 9210113, and then Aisha Umara, which is myself, 9210114. Next, we will move on to task 1, which is the questions. In our group, we had divided all of question into 4 questions. So for the first question, draw the structure of toluene, write a chemical equation to produce toluene from benzene. State the type of reaction occurs. State the type of mechanism involved in the formation of toluene from benzene and show the reaction mechanism including the formation of resonance structure for the aromatic ion. So this is the structure of toluene, which is basically a benzene ring linked to an alkyl group, which is the methyl. For the chemical reaction of how to produce toluene out of benzene is by adding benzene with chloromethane with the help of catalyst Al3, and it will produce toluene and also HCl. The type of reaction that occurs is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene. The type of mechanism that is involved in this reaction from benzene to be produced into toluene is the electrophilic substitution. So electrophilic substitution consists of 3 steps, which is, for the first step, the generation of electrophile, which is to produce the electrophile that we want. In this case is CH3+. Step 2 is the formation of aromatic ion. Based on the slide, the one that we highlighted with pink box is the resonance stabilized carbocation. This is to produce the aromatic ion. For the last step, step 3, is the loss of proton to reform the aromatic ring. This is to produce the last product that we want, which is toluene, and with 2 side products, which is HCl and Al3.
Question number 2. Suggest a chemical test, reaction and condition that can be used to distinguish benzene and toluene. Write the equation and state the observation for both compounds respectively. Chemical test that we can use to distinguish benzene and toluene is oxidation reaction of alkene benzene. The reagent and condition is hot alkaline potassium permanganate, H plus acid, and heat. When toluene undergo oxidation, which is carried out by hot alkaline potassium permanganate, H plus acid, and heat, it will produce benzoic acid, CO2, and H2O. The observation is purple color of solution turns colorless. While when benzene undergo oxidation, reaction of alkene benzene, it will no reaction occur. So the observation is the purple color remain unchanged. Question number 3. The bromination of toluene in the presence of iron bromide produce 2 products, L and M. Write the equation for this reaction. Name compounds L and M according to IUPAC system. Why the reaction above gives 2 different products? The answer: when the bromination of toluene in the presence of iron bromide produce 2 products, which is L and M. L is O-bromotoluene and M is P-bromotoluene. The reaction gives 2 different products because methyl is an EDG from an auto para director, which tends to direct incoming group, in this case bromine, into 2 positions, that is auto and para.
Next, for question 4, draw and give the IUPAC name of the product obtained if FABr3 in the reaction above is replaced by light. Write the equation, state the type of reaction that occurs. The reaction above that is mentioned is from question 3. So for this question, we will replace FABr3 with light. So in chemical equation, we will write it as UV. So the chemical equation is as shown at the slide. And the IUPAC name for the product is bromomethylbenzene. And for the type of reaction that occurs to this reaction is a free radical substitution. Next, we'll move on to task 2.
Okay, so now we will continue our discussion with task 2, which is nucleic and alkyl component. So So our group have choose pomegranate as the plant that we will discuss now. Okay, as stated in the Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان. With translation, with fruit, date, palms, and pomegranate tree. Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 68. The active component of this plant is caffeic acid 69H8O4, and the IUPAC name for this component is E3,3,4-dihydrophenyl-propanoic acid, and the functional group is carboxylic acid. So for your information, the pomegranate, the edible part of the pomegranate plant represented 52% of total fruit weight, comprising 78% juice and 22% seed. Okay, the fresh juice of the pomegranates contained 85.4% moisture, 10.6% total sugars, 1.4% pectin, 0.1 gram per 100 milliliter total acidity as citric acid, 0.7 mg per 100 ml ascorbic acid, 19.6 mg per 100 ml free amino nitrogen, and 0.05 gram per 100 ml ash. Okay, so the benefits of pomegranate is pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids. Okay, both of these are known to prevent free radicals from damaging your cells. In some studies, pomegranates show potential to be effective in preventing prostate, breast, lung, and colon cancers.
So now we are arrived at the end of our video.
We hope that this video can make you guys understand this topic better.
Thank you for lending your ears and time. Bye.